The speed limit in any alley is A, 15 miles per hour, B, 20 miles per hour, C, 25 miles per hour. Correct answer, A, 15 miles per hour. If you are involved in a minor collision with a parked vehicle and cannot find the owner, you must A, leave a note on the vehicle and report the accident without delay to the city police or CHP. B, report the accident immediately to the local police. C, return to the scene later to see if the owner has returned. Correct answer, A, leave a note on the vehicle and report the accident without delay to the city police or CHP. When you see a yellow arrow, it means A, the protected turning time period is ending. B, you should speed up to make the turn before the light changes. C, you have the right of way to turn. Correct answer, A, the protected turning time period is ending. When you park on a hill with the vehicle facing uphill and there is no curb, you should A, turn the wheel sharply towards the side of the road. B, keep the wheel straight ahead. C, turn the wheel sharply away from the side of the road. Correct answer, A, turn the wheel sharply towards the side of the road. The speed limit in a school zone where children are present is A, 25 miles per hour, B, 20 miles per hour, C, 15 miles per hour. Correct answer, A, 25 miles per hour. You are approaching an intersection. The traffic light is flashing yellow. You should A, slow down and cross the intersection carefully. B, stop before entering the intersection. C, proceed with caution but do not stop. Correct answer, A, slow down and cross the intersection carefully. What is the maximum speed limit on most California highways? A, 55 miles per hour. B, 65 miles per hour. C, 75 miles per hour. Correct answer, B, 65 miles per hour. You must notify the DMV within 5 days if you A, get a new prescription for glasses, B, sell or transfer your vehicle, C, paint your vehicle a different color. Correct answer, B, sell or transfer your vehicle. What does a yellow diamond-shaped sign with a black arrow pointing to the left indicate? A sharp left turn ahead. B, a no left turn allowed. C, a left turn only lane. Correct answer, A sharp left turn ahead. You are approaching an intersection. The traffic signal light is flashing red. What should you do? A, slow down and proceed with caution. B, stop before entering, then proceed when safe. C, proceed as if the light is green. Correct answer, B, stop before entering, then proceed when safe. What is the correct way to make a left turn from a one-way street onto a one-way street? A, turn into any lane. B, turn into the far left lane. C, turn into the lane closest to the left curb. Correct answer, C, turn into the lane closest to the left curb. If you drive faster than other vehicles on a road with one lane in each direction and continually pass the other cars, you will A, help prevent traffic congestion. B, increase your chances of an accident. C, get you to your destination faster. Correct answer, B, increase your chances of an accident. If you are convicted by the court of a first DUI offense, your driving privileges will be suspended for at least A, 1 month, B, 6 months, C, 1 year. Correct answer, B, 6 months. You're driving in the far right lane of a multi-lane freeway. A line of 5 cars is merging into your lane ahead from an on-ramp. You should A, maintain your speed and position. B, slow down to let the other vehicles merge. C, speed up to pass the merging vehicles. Correct answer, B, slow down to let the other vehicles merge. When driving at night on a dimly lit street, you should A, drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area illuminated by your headlights. B, turn on your high beams to better see the vehicles ahead of you. C, keep the instrument panel lights bright to be more visible to other drivers. Correct answer, A, drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area illuminated by your headlights. Which of these statements is true about driving and taking medications? A, over-the-counter medications cannot impair your driving ability. B. Any medication is safe if prescribed by a doctor. C. Most medications can impair your driving ability. Correct answer. C. Most medications can impair your driving ability. You are driving in the far right lane of a 4-lane freeway and you see thick broken white lines on the left side of your lane. You are driving in A. A special lane for slow-moving vehicles. B. The carpool lane and must merge into the next lane. C. An exit lane. Correct answer, C. An exit lane. When making a right turn from a highway with 2 lanes in your direction, you may turn from A. The lane nearest the curb or edge of the roadway. B. Either lane depending on oncoming traffic. C. The left lane if the other lanes are occupied. Correct answer, A. The lane nearest the curb or edge of the roadway. If you are involved in a traffic collision, you are required to complete and submit a written report, SR1, to the DMV. A. Only if you are at fault. B. If there is property damage of $750 or more, or if there are any injuries. C. Only if you or the other driver is injured. Correct answer, B. If there is property damage of $750 or more, or if there are any injuries. You should usually drive your vehicle slower when A. Passing large trucks on the freeway. B. You see brake lights coming on several vehicles ahead of you. C. You want to look at a controlled accident scene. Correct answer, B. You see brake lights coming on several vehicles ahead of you. Which of the following statements about blind spots is true? A. Blind spots are eliminated if you have one outside mirror on each side of the vehicle. B. Large trucks have bigger blind spots than most passenger vehicles. C. Blind spots can be checked by looking in your rearview mirrors. Correct answer, B. Large trucks have bigger blind spots than most passenger vehicles. You must yield to a pedestrian using a white cane or guide dog. A. Only if the pedestrian is obeying traffic controls. B. Only if a crossing guard is present. C. At all times regardless of the situation. Correct answer, C. At all times regardless of the situation. When driving in fog, snow, or rain, you should use A. High beam headlights. B. Low beam headlights. C. Parking lights. Correct answer, B. Low beam headlights. At night, if an oncoming vehicle fails to dim its high beams, you should A. Look toward the right edge of your lane. B. Look straight ahead until your vision clears. C. Look toward the left edge of your lane. Correct answer, A. Look toward the right edge of your lane. A safety zone is a specially marked area for passengers to get on or off buses or trolleys. You may not drive through a safety zone. A. At any time for any reason. B. When a bus or trolley is present. C. Only when a bus or trolley is present. Correct answer, A. At any time for any reason. You are driving on a one-way street. You may turn left onto another one-way street only if A. A sign permits the turn. B. Traffic on the street moves to the right. C. Traffic on the street moves to the left. Correct answer, C. Traffic on the street moves to the left. You must file a report of traffic accident occurring in California, SR1, with DMV within 10 days if you A. Fail to pay your registration fees within 90 days. B. Are involved in a collision and there is an injury. C. Plan on being out of the state for more than 30 days. Correct answer, B. Are involved in a collision and there is an injury. Here, when parking downhill on a two-way street, your front wheels should be A. Turn to the left toward the street. B. Turn to the right away from the street. C. Turn to the right toward the curb. Correct answer, C. Turn to the right toward the curb. If you are driving on a freeway and the vehicle in front of you is a large truck, you should drive A. Closer behind the truck than for a passenger vehicle. B. Further behind the truck than for a passenger vehicle. C. To the right side of the truck and wait to pass. Correct answer, B. Farther behind the truck than for a passenger vehicle. You may cross double yellow lines to pass another vehicle if the A. Yellow line next to your side of the road is broken. B. Yellow line next to the other side of the road is broken. C. Lines are solid on both sides. Correct answer. A. Yellow line next to your side of the road is broken. The safest precaution that you can take regarding the use of cellular phones and driving is A. Use hands-free devices so you can keep both hands on the steering wheel. B. Keep your phone within easy reach so you won't need to take your eyes off the road. C. Review the number before answering a call. Correct answer. A. Use hands-free devices so you can keep both hands on the steering wheel. You must carefully watch for bicycles in traffic lanes because they A. Must ride facing oncoming traffic. B. Could be hidden in your blind spots. C. Usually have the right of way. Correct answer. B. Could be hidden in your blind spots. Which of the following is true about roadways on bridges and overpasses in cold, wet weather? A. They tend to freeze before the rest of the road does. B. They tend to freeze after the rest of the road does. C. They do not freeze because they are made of concrete. Correct answer. A. They tend to freeze before the rest of the road does. What should you do if you see a roadwork ahead sign? A. Speed up to pass the roadwork quickly. B. Slow down and be prepared for unexpected conditions. C. Stop and wait for further instructions. Correct answer. B. Slow down and be prepared for unexpected conditions. You want to make a right turn at an upcoming intersection? You should slow down and A. Avoid driving in the bicycle lane. B. Move toward the left side of your lane. C. Signal for 100 feet before turning. Correct answer. C. Signal for 100 feet before turning. When you see a red stop sign, you should stop and A. Check traffic in all directions before proceeding. B. Let all vehicles that arrive before or after you go first. C. Check traffic behind you. Correct answer. A. Check traffic in all directions before proceeding. When can you drive in a bike lane? A. When you are within 200 feet of a cross street where you plan to turn right. B. During rush hour. C. Whenever bicyclists are not present. Correct answer. A. When you are within 200 feet of a cross street where you plan to turn right. When passing another vehicle, it is safe to return to your lane if you A. Cannot see the vehicle directly to your right. B. See the vehicle's headlights in your rearview mirror. C. Have passed the other vehicle's front bumper. Correct answer. B. See the vehicle's headlights in your rearview mirror. What should you do at an intersection with a flashing yellow signal light? A. Stop before crossing the intersection. B. Slow down and cross carefully. C. Stop and wait for the light to change. Correct answer. B. Slow down and cross carefully. If your phone rings while you are driving and you do not have a hands-free device, you should A. Answer the call because it may be an emergency. B. Let the call go to voicemail. C. Check the incoming number before answering the call. Correct answer. B. Let the call go to voicemail. When you change lanes or merge with another lane, you A. Have the right of way. B. Should first stop and check for cross traffic. C. Need at least a 4-second gap in traffic. Correct answer. C. Need at least a 4-second gap in traffic. Which of these statements is true about motorcycles? A. Motorcycles are less affected by wind and rain than passenger vehicles. B. Motorcycles should be followed at a greater distance. C. Motorcycles are slower and stop slower than expected. Correct answer. B. Motorcycles should be followed at a greater distance. When you enter traffic from a full stop, for example, pulling away from the curb, you A. Should drive slower than other traffic for 200 feet. B. Need a large enough gap to get up to the speed of traffic. C. Should wait until your lane is moving. Correct answer. B. Need a large enough gap to get up to the speed of traffic. When parking next to a curb, you should use your turn signals. A. Only when pulling away from the curb. B. When pulling next to but not away from the curb. C. When pulling next to or away from the curb. Correct answer. C. When pulling next to or away from the curb. You must notify the DMV within 10 days if you A. Are cited for a traffic violation. B. Sell or transfer your vehicle. C. Paint your vehicle a different color. Correct answer, B. Sell or transfer your vehicle. When driving in fog, you should use your A. High beams, B. Low beams, C. Fog lights only. Correct answer, B. Low beams. You are approaching a railroad crossing with no warning devices and are unable to see 400 feet down the tracks in one direction. The speed limit is A. 20 miles per hour, B. 25 miles per hour, C. 15 miles per hour. Correct answer, C. 15 miles per hour. You may legally block an intersection. A. Under no circumstances. B. When you enter the intersection on the green light. C. During rush hour traffic. Correct answer, A. Under no circumstances. Which of these vehicles must always stop before crossing railroad tracks? A. Motorcycles. B. Tank trucks marked with hazardous materials placards. C. Vehicles pulling trailers. Correct answer, B. Tank trucks marked with hazardous materials placards. The California Basic Speed Law says you must A. Never drive faster than posted speed limits. B. Never drive faster than is safe for current conditions. C. Always drive at the same speed as traffic around you. Correct answer, B. Never drive faster than is safe for current conditions. You want to make a right turn at an upcoming intersection. You should slow down and A. Move toward the left side of your lane. B. Avoid driving in the bicycle lane. C. Signal for 100 feet before turning. Correct answer, C. Signal for 100 feet before turning. When passing a bicyclist, you should A. Blast your horn to alert the bicyclist of your presence. B. Move as far left as possible in your lane to give extra room. C. Pass in the same lane, giving at least 3 feet of space. Correct answer, C. Pass in the same lane, giving at least 3 feet of space. You are approaching an intersection. The traffic light is flashing red. What should you do? A. Slow down and proceed with caution. B. Stop before entering, then proceed when safe. C. Proceed as if the light is green. Correct answer, B. Stop before entering, then proceed when safe. When making a right turn, you should A. Signal and turn immediately. B. Signal and reduce your speed. C. Turn immediately without signaling. Correct answer, B. Signal and reduce your speed. When you tailgate other drivers, drive close to their rear bumper. A. You can frustrate the other drivers and make them angry. B. Your actions cannot result in a traffic citation. C. You help reduce traffic congestion. Correct answer, A. You can frustrate the other drivers and make them angry. If you have trouble seeing other vehicles because of dust or smoke blowing across the roadway, you should drive slower and turn on your A. Parking lights, B. Headlights, C. Emergency flashers. Correct answer, B. Headlights. When you see a yellow school bus with its red lights flashing, you should A. Stop and remain stopped until the lights stop flashing. B. Slow down and proceed with caution. C. Pass the bus quickly before the lights start flashing. Correct answer, A. Stop and remain stopped until the lights stop flashing. If your vehicle starts to hydroplane, you should A. Accelerate to gain more traction. B. Apply the brakes firmly. C. Ease off the accelerator and steer straight. Correct answer, C. Ease off the accelerator and steer straight. When should you turn your headlights on? A. 30 minutes after sunset until 30 minutes before sunrise. B. Only during bad weather. C. Only when driving on rural roads. Correct answer, A. 30 minutes after sunset until 30 minutes before sunrise.